Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate your time. Today I'm trading in the OTC market, that's the over-the-counter market, where trades happen even outside regular hours. And guess what? I'm starting with just $4. It might seem small, but let's see how far it can go. Stay tuned and enjoy the journey. As you can see here, I'm trading using a software that's specially designed for all binary option brokers, especially for the OTC market. I've just placed a sell order based on the signal it provided. If you're interested in trying out this software, feel free to check the video description for more detail. Just so you know, I'm not telling anyone to use this software. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing how I use it during OTC trading. I've placed a sell based on the signal, and now we'll see what happens. Stick around and enjoy the video. My first trade ended with a perfect profit. Now, I'm switching to a different market and continuing with the next trade. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to avoid signals like this and look for a different market with better potential. Here we go, my second trade is in, following the signal. Let's see how this one plays out. And yes, I've made another profit from this trade. Now I'm moving on to the next one. Alright everyone, I think that's enough for today. Considering I started with just $4, the profit I made is more than satisfying. There's no need to push it too far. Sometimes small but consistent gains are what really matter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.